Hello, Tessie. Oh, hello, Tessie Toodles. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you, girl? Oh, Tessie. Tessie. It's me, Goofy. Hello, Tess. Oh, aren't you a cutie? Oh, Tessie. Oh, you tired, Tessie? No, Goofy, I think Tessie wants to be let out. Oh, Tessie doesn't want to be let out, do you, Tessie? Oh, come on, Tessie. You play with me and Mickey. Come on. Oh, you know what? Oh. Hello, Tessie. Tessie, play with me, Goofy. Oh, that's it, Tessie. Good girl, Tessie Toodles. Oh, Tessie. Oh. Hello, Tessie. 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 Oh, for crying out loud, just let her out, Goofy. Here you go, Tessie. No need for you to worry. What was that for, Mickey? Oh, Tessie wanted to be let out. Oh, but Tessie's so cute. Oh, I know she's cute, but you gotta stop being overprotective of her. What was that for, Mickey? You see, you can't just treat Tessie like if she was a toy, you know. Oh, but she's so cute. I know she's cute. Anyway, let's just turn the TV on and see what's on.
Breaking news. Tonight is Fireworks night, so get prepared to set off your fireworks and have a nice bonfire outside your nearest field.
Bonfire night? Oh, Mickey, that sounds fun. Oh, and I heard there's fireworks at bonfire night. Oh, I love fireworks. I can't wait to blow one up. Goofy, you can't play with a firework! Oh, I know, Mickey, because fireworks are very dangerous. Because I can't trust you with a firework, Goofy. Because if you play with a firework and you messed around with it could probably explode in your face. Oh, but Mickey, no buts, Goofy. I'll be lighting the fireworks. I'll go to the shop and get them. You stay right here. Oh, the fireworks. I want to do the fireworks. Sorry. Oh, I might as well just sleep until Mickey gets back with the fireworks. Then I can light the fireworks and make and see them at night. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh. 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 Alright, Goofy, I've got the fireworks! Great! When tonight comes, we're gonna light the fireworks. Well, maybe we can open the window and light the fireworks. No, then your room will blow up, Goofy. Now you're not getting these fireworks. You can't touch the any fireworks at all. Oh, That's not enough, Mickey. I want to light them all. No, you can't. Only lighting one firework and that's final. Well, it's nearly nighttime anyway, so let's go light the fireworks. I want to light them all. Alright, Goofy. Oh, Jesus Christ, Goofy, why are you tied up to a firework? Oh. I wanted to go to outer space, so I decided to tie myself with this firework. See, Goofy, this is why I can't trust you with fireworks. Oh, you know what? Give me firework. No, Mickey, no, please, I gotta light the firework. Oh, Goofy, let go, Mickey. No, I can't let go. Oh, well, I've got the lighter. We can both go to space together. Wait, what? No, Goofy, put that light out. So, I'm gonna run for my life. Oh, here comes the countdown. I'm gonna go to outer space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Tessie, did I wake you up? Oh, I'm pretty sure you did, Mickey. Oh, I'm sorry, Tess. You're such a cute dog. Oh, it's okay, Tessie. I just had a bad dream, you know. So, what day is it? Let me check. Bonfire Guy Fawkes night. Bonfire night. Oh no. Oh no. What's the matter, Mickey? You don't like bonfire night? Oh well, might as well get the fireworks myself. Toodles!